Indiana University identifies as a tobacco-free university. The use and sale of tobacco products and smoking-related products are prohibited on campus, but even with this policy is in place, it's not easy to enforce. Isabella Vesperini has this report.
IU's tobacco-free policy relies on community members for enforcement. The university expects people on campus to ask those who are vaping or smoking to stop, similar to when masks were mandated during the pandemic. But this method is not foolproof. Vaping is a particular problem. It can be very discreet and people can get away with it, which makes it even harder to strictly regulate.
We want people to have a sense, this is their place and this is their home and they're welcome here. And I don't think we want them to feel like, we're monitoring every single thing that they do.
A professor from the IU School of Public Health recently conducted a study on stealth vaping, the act of discreet vaping, especially when rules prohibit it, at 4 universities, including IU. Results showed students who had friends who were more accepting of stealth vaping were more likely to stealth vape themselves. Conversely, those who had peers who did not vape on campus were also less likely to vape on campus. The study also found students get away with vaping in bathrooms, dorm rooms, and libraries. Students were most likely to blow the smoke into their clothing or swallow it. Regulation in residence halls is stricter because there's a larger staff to look out for people vaping and smoking.
You're not going to get kicked out of the residence hall if you're seeing vaping one time kind of thing. There's going to be a progression and hopefully an educational conversation about the impact that has on the community and the health of others.
IU Collegiate Recovery Community Coordinator Samantha Ritz says it is important to educate college students on the myths about vaping in the effort to help them understand why it is harmful. Nicotine, which is present in almost all vapes, can be especially harmful to a young brain, which continues to develop until around the age of 25.
We acknowledge that they're here for their academics, but they also are experiencing a lot of other things while they're here, and so how can we support you in what you want? And if you want to stop vaping or cut back or find an alternative or something like that, then let's absolutely support you and help you do that.
For Indiana News Desk, I'm Isabella Vesperini.